Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever it is that you are watching this video. I wanted to introduce myself once again as Nancy Wall and your third grade teacher. And also, I'm going to be your writing teacher for a few weeks. So I'm going to help you overcome and forge ahead and start to develop a love of writing the way I have after many years. So the first thing I want to impress upon you is that I really believe that writing is a tool that we use to open up doors. It's a way that we communicate with other people. Writers write so that readers can read. And so I know people who write are very organized about it. They set up aside time to do that kind of work in their lives. And I know that they use their writing for all kinds of things. It might be for writing lists, and it might be for writing letters, and it might be for writing reports, and it might be for writing stories, which is what you all are going to do over the next few weeks. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually share my screen with you because I want you to see something that I have been working on. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do as writers this year is we're going to create a space where we can compile all of our best and favorite pieces of writing. And so one of the things that you do when you're compiling your favorite pieces of writing is that you have to collect them and you have to put them in a place where you always will be able to find them. So I want to have you guys do that in a writer's notebook. So I thought I have it here, but let me just show you a sample of what that's going to look like. When you have this writer's notebook, I think it's kind of cool to decorate it. So I'm going to give you some tips right now on decorating your writer's notebook. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a black speckle notebook and you want to fill up the space. You can use both sides of your notebook to fill it up, or you can use just the front cover. It doesn't matter for me if you only cover the front space. But if you have a lot of things that you want to put on this notebook, cover both sides. I would say use lots of interesting objects that you have. It might be that you're going to go to Rite Aid and buy some stickers. It might be that you're going to go to the drugstore and get some baseball cards, or you're going to go and rummage through your drawers in your house. So you can use stickers or pom-poms or magazine clippings or printouts of book covers or photographs or drawings or a lucky penny. It doesn't matter to me. Or it could be a gum wrapper from your favorite piece of chewing gum. Just don't put the actual piece of chewing gum that you've already chewed on the cover of your notebook. That would be kind of gross. But also, I want you to just make sure that your objects are not three-dimensional, meaning I don't want them to stick up high off of the outside of your notebook. I've had kids like put like a ball, like an actual ball on the outside of your notebook, and then they're like, gee, it doesn't stay on here, how come? So you're not going to do that, but things that lie flat on the outside of your notebook. Then I would like for you to also protect it with something. Now, what I used was a thing of clear packing tape, and I just ripped it and I stuck it on in lots of different places to make sure that the beautiful things that I just chose to put on the outside of my notebook stayed there, all right? When you're finished, it might look something like this. It's got my name, which yours should have. It's got some things that I love. I'm as slow as a turtle, which you might notice. I love running. I'm so excited about it being the fall. I love Hawaii. I have, fresh flowers. I love riding my bike. So these are some things that I chose to put on the cover of my notebook. And also this way to protect it. When you're finished, I want you to take this notebook that you are done with and put it in your backpack so that you don't forget to bring it to school the next time you come to school. This notebook is due on September 24th. By then, all of the cohorts A, B, C, and full remote will have seen this assignment for school. Take your time, make it beautiful. And I didn't put that on here, but don't make any excuses. That's like if you learn nothing from me this year, I want you to learn this one thing. You don't make excuses about why you can or cannot do things. Just make it happen. Okay, so everybody has until Thursday. Some of you are going to come to school tomorrow. You might have it done, you might not. I want everybody to have their notebooks finished, decorated by Thursday. All right? Yes, you can say that right now. That's the way I like to say it when I'm really excited about something. I'm going to stop sharing and show you. Here it is live. You can see it's shiny because I use that clear packing tape to put it on there. I hope you all have fun with this. If you're in my class today, we're going to talk a little bit more about this. If you're not, bring it to school and show me what you did. Okay. Take care. Bye.